Hi friends, welcome to Santosh Real Tech Mantra. In our previous videos, you have learned about the introduction and interface of Excel. In this video, you are going to learn how to enter data in simple ways, how to add the sheets, etc. We'll see in these things. So the Excel is open. In any of the version, the basic thing is same. So here we see I am taking a table like student mark list of 3 subjects, that is serial number, name of the student, next subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. I want to take these 3 things. So how to enter these? So just select the cell. You can select the cell by moving arrow keys, down arrow, up arrow, left arrow, right arrow. So in which direction you want to move, just use the arrow keys. And coming to here, when you are entering, just enter the data and just press the tab or press left arrow key. Then coming to the name, Santosh Kumar. Just coming to here. Next, I am going to post 78. Then if you observe here, the name is behind this column, as the size of the column is very small. To increase the column width, just place the pointer in between these 2 columns so that you can see double headed arrow, resize, column resize icon, pointer. So then click on here and just move here according to your requirement. Okay, this is the method to increase the column width or to decrease the column width, whatever it may be. Then next, going to this some 75, 98, enter. So if you go here, it is taken. Then coming to second, Harish Kumar, some XYZ. When you press enter, automatically it comes to here. It depends on our work, right? If you have any doubts or any corrections in the entry of marks or any values, just there are 2 methods. Just double click on the cell so that you will get the value, or else one more thing you can go for that, directly you can change it. If you change the total value of a cell, just give the value directly. If you want to edit, for example, I want to give the initial to this. I don't want to remove all the name, so that I can go with here, double click, just click here, give the initial, the next click. Or else second method is directly here in the formula bar you can add it. Just place the cursor there and give that. Third one is select the cell and press functional key F2 so that you can go with this or anyone. In these 3 methods you can use any of them. Whichever the method is comfortable to you, practice more in that. Or just press enter or press tab after editing. If you want to add one more sheet for another class, whatever it may be, another data type, here if you see the name of the sheet and beside the sheet name you have the plus symbol, just you click on it, you will get the next sheet. Same as usual, enter this. Thank you.